Evewin, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your fridge which is not starting up. The most common culprits that prevents your fridge from starting up are: number 1, the startup relay which has gone bad. Number 2, a compressor which is blown out. Number 3, a fan which is bad or which got stuck by some sticky stuff like peanut butter, which prevents the fan from rotating. Another culprit is the defrost timer, which sometimes gets stuck and prevents your fridge from starting up. Thus, let me tell you the situation I am in. When I switched on my fridge, no sound of compressor starting up can be heard. The fridge is getting power from the power source, but no sound can be heard of the compressor. So let's check the upper compartment first. No noise of the fan. And the lower compartment, the light is glowing. So what we need to do? In this situation, we have to first switch off the fridge. Switched off. On the back, at the bottom of a fridge, you will find the compressor, the startup relay, and there is a control box. In my situation, this control box is preventing my fridge from starting up. It's actually got jammed, so we have to rotate it once or twice. You have to rotate that job once or twice. Now let's see our fridge is starting up or not. Yes, I can hear the compressor sound. The fan is rotating and everything is working fine. So this is how you fix your fridge which refuses to start up. With this do-it-yourself guide, you can save a couple of bucks which you have to otherwise pay to the service engineer. If you find this video useful, do like this video, subscribe to my channel